All right, YouTube, what's going on? LT1J, I'm back with another video, baby. As you can see by the title, I'm doing a new mod to the car. Now, this is a mod that I want to go ahead and get out the way before I do any more performance mods or anything before I start the tuning. You could probably guess it, but that is an oil catch can. So I got the Mishimoto oil catch can right here, and that's going to be going on today. I'm going to be showing y'all how to put this on. It's super easy. What we're going to do is pop this engine cover off right here, and then we're going to take off this little tube right here. This piece, it goes in right there on the bottom, and then one more at the top up here. So we're going to pop this little engine cover off. We'll take that off, and then we'll install the oil catch can right here on the strut bar. So it shouldn't take too long. It's a pretty easy install. This is going to improve the longevity of the engine, make it last a little longer, especially when I start doing performance mods to it. So it's going to help keep the engine a little cleaner on the internals and catch the oil and all the other good stuff. So yeah, without further ado, I'm about to put this stuff together. All right, guys, as you can see, it's the next day and I got the catch can on. Kind of got a little sidetracked with the install. We got stuck on pulling out this bottom sensor down here, the one on the bottom. We just couldn't depress the button enough to slide it off, so we actually had to take some long grip pliers, or yeah, it's kind of like some long grip pliers, and use those to take it out. But we got it out, and as y'all can see, it's fairly simple. You'll connect the oil can bracket to the strut bar. You'll just unbolt these, pick them up, put it back down, bolt them in, and then you'll screw these Allen key little wrenches on here and put your inlets in, and then just basically connect the hoses, man. And the out goes to the out, which is on the left right here. It goes to the top one, which is up here, and the inside, which is this one, it goes in on the bottom. If you follow the hose, we put that one on the bottom. That's where it goes. And pretty simple enough. Then you just put the engine covers back on, screw those down. I mean, I really don't think you guys need help with that. If you do, then I don't know what to tell you. But yeah, man, this is a mod that every Camaro LT1 owner should do. Pretty much any car person owner. If you're a car guy and you love your car and you're trying to maintain your engine, you should definitely be doing this mod, because this is going to pick up all the extra oil that goes into the catch can right here, and it's going to pick up all the extra oil that would otherwise be going back into your intake manifold. And just to show y'all that, oh yeah, so we got my catch can right here. This is after a week of driving. I've literally had it on about 6 days. So as y'all can see, there's quite a little bit in there, and there's also some other white kind of, I don't know if you guys can see that. There's some white kind of, I don't know if it's just the color of the oil, or if it's actually something that's in there. Y'all comment below, let me know. But yeah, comment below, let me know, guys, if all that looks normal. Perfect reason right here as to why you guys should have this catch can on your car, so you can examine stuff like this and just maintain the longevity of your engine. Because otherwise, this stuff, it really routes right back into your intake manifold, and it'll coat the inside of it. And you know, just, I think that white stuff in there could have just been moisture. But yeah, man, y'all comment below, let me know. But as y'all can see, I got the catch can back on just like that. It's super simple to empty too. So by far, every Camaro owner, if you have a V8 or a V6, any engine, you know, any engine that you care about or tuning, or going to be doing performance mods to, or just going to want to, you know, maintain, you should definitely have an oil catch can on. This should definitely be your first engine mod before you do anything other than performance. And I'm talking headers, E85, tunes, all that, because as y'all know, that's what I'm going to next. So I got a couple more mods that are going to be coming. This is the first of many, so I want to go ahead and get this on there so I don't have to worry about it. Stay tuned, because I got a lot more coming. The mods are just beginning, especially for the engine. I know I've done a lot of cosmetics, but the engine stuff is coming. So without further ado, man, stay tuned.